Hi guys, my name is Sauraj. I am a director at Adventure Pulse, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite treks in Nepal, the Annapurna Base Camp. The Annapurna Base Camp Trek is a classic 10-day trek. The trek is not as difficult as compared to, let's say, an Everest Base Camp or a Manaslu circuit. It typically averages about 7 to 8 days and starts at a very comfortable altitude of about 2,800 meters and gradually, in a matter of 5 to 6 days, takes you to an altitude of 4,200 meters, which is the Annapurna Base Camp. To start this trek, you need to take a flight from Kathmandu to Pokhara, which in itself is a beautiful hill station situated in Nepal. And from Pokhara, it's about a 2 to 3 hour drive into the Annapurna Sanctuary to start this trek. The best time to do this trek would be the months of March, April, May. It's beautiful, there's a rhododendron bloom, and you walk through these forests full of rhododendron flowers. Of course, the season of October and November is also very pretty to do the Annapurna Base Camp Trek. The Annapurna Base Camp Trek, I would say, is for everyone. Children who are above the age of 12 years or also people who've never really trekked before can consider the Annapurna Base Camp Trek as their first trek. This is primarily because of the comfortable altitudes and a good acclimatization plan that is built in. The accommodation at the Annapurna Base Camp Trek is rather comfortable. You don't really have to camp out. We are looking at a tea house trekking format, like you may have heard in other regions of Nepal. Of course, there is the Everest region, the Manaslu region, which also have tea houses. But the Annapurna Base Camp Trek also has really good, comfortable tea houses. You would have rooms on double sharing basis, and of course, comfortable meals and a hot shower as well. For more information, visit our website adventurepulse.com.